Hey, let's learn how to use the ebooks provided by Gyaniversity Publications together. One very important thing to remember is that our books cannot be downloaded or printed. So please keep this in mind. If you prefer the feel of a hard copy, please go ahead and purchase one. And in case you've purchased one by mistake and you do not want to use the soft copy anymore, please get in touch with our customer support team and they'll be happy to offer you a discount on your hard copy. To access the book, simply open the PDF you received when you placed the order. If you placed an order for a combo, your PDFs would be zipped together in a zip file. Unzip the file and then open up the PDF. Now the PDFs will look either this way with a link right at the bottom here, or they will look like this with a button to click and open the book. If this link does not work, you can go to the bottom left corner and click on the link mentioned here. Now each book has a unique URL which you will use to access your copy. So please don't share this URL with anybody else, because if a specific URL is shared or opened on more than 5 devices, access to your book will automatically be revoked. So to access the book, just click on the URL mentioned here. This should open up your book, and the first time you launch the book, it's going to ask you for a password. This password is mentioned in your PDF file. So simply copy the password, paste it in here and click on login. If you've previously signed into your book earlier, it will not ask you for the password again. For example, in the case of this book, MEG1, I had signed in earlier. Now when I click on the book again, it straight away opens up the book and does not ask me for any password. Now it's a very good practice if you want to reuse or reopen this book again and again to bookmark this book. To bookmark the book, on the top right corner, just click on the bookmark icon and click done. What this will essentially do is allow you to open your book at any time very easily. So you can go to your all bookmarks and just click on MEG1 to open up the book. This way you won't have to remember the unique URL that is generated for you. But in any case, if you forget your URL or you forget your password, please make sure you have this PDF that is kept very handy for you to open the book. Now let's get started and learn some different features that are available to you. The most important feature over here at the bottom left side is our table of contents. And this is a really amazing feature because it lets you navigate the book exactly how you want. Now, for example, we are in our British poetry and we want to study about Spenser. And under Spenser, I want to study about the topic mentioned under 2.2. And I want to read the poem text. So if I just click on this, it will navigate through the book and open up the exact page that you are looking for. So this is one of the biggest advantages of our ebooks, is that with a hard copy you need to go page after page and search for your material, but here with a click of a button you can access the book. Now every time you turn a page, you can either do it this way, or you can use the buttons over here at the bottom. But if you want to turn off the page changing sound, just click on this over here and it will now just turn the pages and not disturb you. To make it full screen, click on this button right here. And let's say you're on a small device and you want to zoom in further. Just double click on your screen to zoom in, and it's the same thing available on your mobile device as well. Another really amazing thing that I like is the search feature. Let's say you want to search for something specific. Just click on search and type your keyword. Let's search for Spenser. And once we input our search command, it's going to search the entire book and tell us where that keyword is available. Let's say I want to go here. Simply click on that and it will open up that page. The same features are available across all our different books. So be sure to take the best advantage of it. Depending on the book you have purchased, you will have additional features right here at the bottom on the toolbar. Make sure you go through all of these buttons so that you can make the best use of it. You also have a feature to take notes. So let's say you want to make a note here, just click on this annotation button and it will allow you to highlight, it will allow you to underline, and it will allow you to also make notes. So you can click on that, you can make a note, let's say revise this again, and you can save your note. And the next time you open the book, the note will be available for you right here. And you can click on it to view the note. Apart from that, you also have a feature to bookmark pages. So whichever page you're interested in coming back, you can bookmark it, give it a title. Let's say we want to revise this, and it's going to ask you whether you wanted to add it on page 2 or page 3. Let's add it to page number 3. And there you go. And next time I can just open this up and it will be saved over here. You can see revise this. So when I click on that, it will open up. Since it's already open, it's not going to open it up again. Some of our more advanced books like the UPSC prelims or the UPSC series books, they all contain buttons instead of QR codes. So let's say you wanted to open up this link which talks about the Champions Kit. If you just click on the button within the book, it will redirect you to the appropriate place where it is supposed to. You can also access these books from your mobile devices and your tablets. This is the experience that you will see on a mobile device. It's literally the same experience with the same buttons. Over here at the bottom, you have all your tools, as we discussed earlier, your table of contents with the same functionality. You can flip and swipe through pages. You can double tap or pinch in and out to zoom in and out, and also take advantage of all the different features we just discussed. And that's about it. Thank you for your time, and we really hope you enjoy using your ebook by Gyaniversity.